I received the bonnet, fender liner, bumper and all the grills. I bought them from Toyota Hartfield. I have installed them on the car, but I must still do some alignments. The car will be going for painting soon. When it comes back I will order the lights and finish off the outside. I love how it is all coming together. I am thinking of going for xenon light. I'm not sure if it will need xenon conversion. Let me know in the comments below. I have also bought the airbag, but I will focus on the inside later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. See you on the next one.